Want to fix blurry wallpaper on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to right-click anywhere on your home screen and click on the Personalize option. Now go ahead and select Background. Here, click Browse to select a picture for your wallpaper and make sure that the fit is set to either Fill or Fit. Next, you want to head over to System. Here you want to select Display. Now make sure that the scale is set to 100% or 125%, which is the recommended value shown on your screen. Now check if your wallpaper is still blurry. If it is, click on the search bar and type Device Manager and open that. Now expand the display adapters. Here, update both your dedicated and integrated graphics. You can search automatically for drivers or reinstall manually using the Browse My Computer option. And that's it. This should fix the blurry wallpaper issue on Windows 11. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.